This video translation into many language. You can find your language in the translation sections.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will share with you, white hair to black permanently in 40 minutes naturally, coffee for jet black at home, 100% works before starting. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So, first we need coffee for hair black. Always wait until the coffee completely cools before transferring to a spray bottle and your hair. To avoid a burned scalp, never apply hot coffee to your hair. Keep in mind that if you have light-colored hair, coffee can stain or tint your hair. Second, we need coconut oil. Coconut oil, the peak of all oils. It's gained such a glowing reputation because there aren't a lot of things coconut oil can't do. It's one of those do-it-all miracle oils that might as well be the beauty world's holy water. Not sure what all the hype is about? Well, coconut oil has the power to burn fat, bless you with healthy, thick hair, fight off bacteria, seamlessly remove makeup, work as a whitening toothpaste, and more. Third, we need raw milk for hair black. Milk contains two kinds of proteins, whey and casein. Casein and whey are both good for your hair. A low-protein diet may cause your hair to thin or stop growing. Your hair health depends on how healthy you are. Milk protein helps thicken the hair and adds a natural shine to it, makes it swell. We have to mix well. How to use. Apply on white hair and leave it 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse hair by normal water. Apply only 3 days in a week. Apply about 3 to 4 weeks to get result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.